Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today's going to be a video with sound. The videos about sound are going to be pretty weird because, I don't know why, but it's not working and the sound on it. It's been downloaded. I have to get used to this because oh my! Ah! What's going on? Oh, ow! My finger hurts. No! What's it doing that? How do I get rid of that? There you go. Okay, guys. So today it's going to be a pretty different video because it's Christmas and I've just got a new laptop, so there's going to be actual videos of sound, and this is kind of my voice reveal for 3 subscribers. Today's Christmas, and I got a lot of stuff which I'm really grateful for, so thank you. Who's up again? Oh my god. Which I'm really grateful for. Oh, there. Okay. Which I'm really grateful for. So, and if anyone from Amazon sees this video, sorry about that one. But if anyone from Amazon sees this video, then please subscribe, or any of my buddies, because I tell my buddies my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to see a face reveal of me playing Animal Jam, or any live videos, I don't know how to make a live video. This channel is going to be awesome. So yeah. But it is Christmas Day, 2018. So next year is going to be 2019, and I was feeling that Animal Jam's gonna shut down 2019 or 2020 because of some issues with players who keep quitting. And I wanted to actually talk about that for a bit because I think that Animal Jam does not deserve people leaving the community, because Animal Jam is such a good game. Okay guys, so yeah. I've been playing for 2 years, and yesterday I got my first blue rung, so I'm really excited about that. I hope I get, I don't want black rung. I really want, I kind of just want to keep my blue rungs because blue rungs are very common, but are rare, really rare. It's a really good one. I need to handle, and I need to get used to this computer or laptop because it doesn't do what I want. And it's like weird. So yeah, I don't know why I'm dancing, but I am. I used to say Adobe Flash Player, yes.
You want a video?
Yeah.
How do you?
Oh no. Yeah. Basically, the videos with no sound is me on my computer. I can't have any more sound on my. Oh my god. So sorry, that's stupid preset. Okay. So annoying. Because, guys, I'm recording
What?
because I have a YouTube channel.
Well, which one are they?
As you can see, okay, there is gonna still
Be careful on that. I'll pay.
be no more videos without sound. Look at this!
Mummy,
Today's gift is a demonic.
oh my. Ryan has
Whoa!
Ryan
Which
has
is
that
actually
one,
no
but a
number
different
for some
colour.
reason. I don't know.
Don't shoot that at me, mate.
I need to make a look.
Dad,
Oh my god! I need to get like 100 of them. I'm gonna make a video. Oh my god! Bye guys. Guys, for a pro today.
Daddy, Alfie's got like a